Hi kiddos and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie, and today as promised I'm making a Doraemon, and after making a Doraemon I'm going to make a mermaid children. So one करके सारे wishes पूरे करने हैं. So after Doraemon it's the mermaid's turn, okay? I've already removed the drawing. So for the Doraemon, first what we need to do is to draw a circle. We'll not do the simple Doraemon standing with the two lollipop wala hand ups. We'll do a little different one, a Doraemon sitting. So we have drawn a circle. That is why I'm doing it with a pencil. Now we'll make his nose, the shiny nose which is red, and it should be a little up. I'm so sorry. Let's see. Okay. First we'll make the two undo. एक undo इधर, एक undo इधर. Okay, so the nose comes just in between here and it overlaps. So whatever is coming inside the nose needs to be rubbed. I'm drawing it a bit darker so that you can see. Now we will make one undo, and this will be ulta U because he's winking away. He's winking away at Tanu Auntie. Okay, now from here and from here, what we are going to do is take a turn right with his face. Take a turn and come back here. Now from his nosy we will draw one line down and then a very slight turn, tichik, a very slight turn, tichik, and tichik. Okay, and after this we are going to make a big smile, pum 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 pum, and then his GB dum 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 dum. So this much of Doraemon is done. Then like a kutte ka patta, even he has a patta on his neckadu. Okay, so he's sitting, so we will draw this portion like that and like that. Now his legs will be ikade and tikade. Okay, so these are his legs. I'm not sure whether I'm doing it right or no. Let's see. Now we will have this red part, that is the control part of Doraemon. Then since he's sitting, we'll just draw a dash in between. Here shall come his magic pocket from where he removes all the gadgets. Okay. Then we will have one lollipop. This is his hands, children, and the other lollipop with a microphone here which he uses to talk. Now this goes down like that and then comes up. The leg has to be a little more up, so I'll rub this leg. Actually I'm drawing it a bit darker so that children y'all can see. If y'all are doing it, please do it a little lighter. This is his microphone and this his hand goes here, and this is the gadget wala pocket which closes here. So we are through. This should be a shorter one. So this is his face. I think so this face part has to be a little more bigger. So let's make it a little more bigger and we'll rub this part. It is a simple circle. So, and he's sitting on a grass with little clouds here and there. I'll quickly do the marker part so that you all understand it well. Now this is his one eye. This is the other eye. This is the Naragundu and the Undo inside, which is now he's winking away. This is his nose. Now this is his khopda. I'm using a mortar marker. This is his khopda. This is his patta, the red color patta. Okay, now this is the white face, the white part of the face. Now what is Doraemon supposed to be? He's a cat, or I don't know. He has these. So I don't know whether what animal is he, a animal, or he is just a whatever it is. Now since he is in the sitting position, we will have this, and after doing this you have to make the down legs, children. Don't start with this part, make the legs, and after you make the legs, everything will fall in place. This is the tail of the Doraemon. This is one hand, Tapata. This is the other hand with the microphone here. This is his gadget wala pocket, and this is the way he is sitting down. So we have made a Doraemon who is sitting down quietly. Okay, to start with, what we do is we take the minute parts first and finish it off. And today I'm not going to color this white part because it is plain white. So this is maroon color, children, which I have used for the inner upper part of the mouth. Okay, this is the maroon part. Then we have the red part, which is here. This is the tongue. All the small parts, let's finish it first. Okay, this is the tongue. Then the nose part comes. For the nose part, again we are going to use the carmine color. That is a lovely color. For the tail, here also we are going to use the carmine color, and anything else which is red, yes, the belt. But for the belt we don't use this color. Now we take our red color, we do gilly and leave a shiny white. Here also red, we do gilly and we leave a little bit of white. Okay, now जहाँ पर white डाला उधर ऐसे गुंचड़ी आणि गुंचड़ी. Okay, we just have to, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, समझ गए ना, वैसा कर देने का. Now what we do is we take a grey color, children, and we take a white color. I said I will not do it, but dil hai ki manta nahi, then it will become wrong on my part if I don't do it. So I have done grey here, children. See, be very careful when you're doing this. See, I'm doing grey and then I shall be doing a little bit of shading. Grey here. These are the white parts, so I have been coloring the white part first. Grey here. This is again the white part. Grey here. Grey here. No greys in the pockets, not required. Yes, eyes. Eyes में इत्थे grey करते थे, इत्थे grey कर दे. Okay, then we have to clean our whites, and we shall start doing gully. This is my house bell. That is why I make all my videos at night, because if I open the door now of this room, you will hear a nice music. You'll guess what music it is. Okay, I'll give you the music. Din ta na 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 din na din na 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 din ta na 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 din na na din ta na 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 na. Okay, this will be the music if I just open the door, and you all have to send me in the comment box which serial's music is this. Din ta na 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 din na din na 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 din ta na 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 din na na na. That is why I make all my videos at night when there is Shanti. Everybody is almost gone to sleep except for me and my husband. And then we make, I make the video. And he's busy exercising. Okay, so the white parts are done. Now after doing the white parts, what we take is our light blue color, because Doraemon is light blue in color. Here is the portion, his khopda, which will be shining. See, this part will be shining, so we'll quickly color our Doraemon blue fast. Hey, I forgot to do the patta. तुम लोग को बोलने को नहीं होता है टीचर, कुछ भूल रहे हो आप. कुछ भी कोई भी नहीं बोलता है. I'll do it. No problem. Let me finish this part now, since I've already started. And इधर दबा दबा के घसीट के कलर करना है बच्चा पार्टी. And we'll not be coloring the entire background today. So be happy. Neta, I get weird comments. Okay, you finish our colors so fast. Daba daba ke, ghaseet ke, and we are left with no colors. So today I'll give a little shoot. Bum pa 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 pum pa 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 pum pa 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 pa. Din ta na 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 din na din na 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 din ta na 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 din na din na 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 din ta na 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 din na din na 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 din ta na 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 din na din. Okay, so his khopadi is white from here, and din ta na 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 din na din na 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 din ta na na na. बस हो गया. डिक चिक डिक चिक डिक चिक डिक चिक डिक चिक डिक चिक डिक. ओए फटना मत. Din ta na 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 din na din na din ta na na. Oh, done. Okay, so this patta is red. I forgot to do this before, so let me make this red before I go ahead. Rhyming words. Now again, this pocket is also white. Since there was no grey, I forgot to do it white. And this part is also white. I can't help it. अगर कोई म्यूजिक मुंह पे लग जाती है ना तो वो उधर बजती रहती है, फिर वो हटती नहीं है. This happens with everyone. It does not happen only with me. You can ask yourself also. One day someone was just singing that song which दस बहाने करके ले गया दिल. The entire day I was singing that song. दस बहाने करके ले गया दिल. दस बहाने सो दिन तना ना 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 दिन ना दिन ना 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 दिन तना ना 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 दिन ना दिन तना ना 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 दिन. बताओ कौन सा पिक्चर में सीरियल का है? Okay, now you know this is my Antwerp blue. So this Antwerp blue, इधर थोड़ा थोड़ा इधर बादल है. I'm not coloring the entire portion today, just coloring a little part. I'll just show it to you. See, little blue here. This is the sky part of it. Little blue here, and then we take a whites. We do gully. We do din ta na 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 din na din na 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 din ta na 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 din na din na 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 din ta na 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 din na 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 din ta na. Okay, so this is the sky, bachas. We have not done much. You should know how to use different techniques for drawings. That is why I am not ghasifying the entire background today. This is one more new technique which you all will learn by not doing much of colors in the background, but still your drawing should look good. Now what we will do is we will take our light green color for the grass part. Now this color is going to be okay. Now din ta na 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 din na din ta na 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 din. पहले light green कर देंगे ऐसे थोड़ा जास्त नको. दिन इधर है ना, हम will make the shadow. That is why I was a bit excited to show you, but then let things go and happen at its pace. Okay, so this is green. Now we have to show the shadow, and so what will we do? Hey, माझा काला color आहे. So the place where the Doraemon is sitting. Here will be his shadow. I used to watch this cartoon once upon a time when my daughter and my daughter's brother used to watch it. Now I don't watch it. Okay, so now we'll take a dark green and we'll do a little bit of oila. Hey, ala kashala nahi yete ka nahi yehude चालेल आम्ही थोडं करते थोडं करते ए दिन तन दिन we'll use sap green. Okay, let us use another dark green color because this is not working that well. Even this is not working. Why? Olive green तो will not work. Let us take sub green. Let's see whether it works. Otherwise also, even if it does not work, it's okay. We are through with it. No issues at all. Okay, so a little bit of grass here and there. Now we'll have to clean our fingers and just fill out this color from here. The green color, na, it should not be, see, like how we fill out the blue color, like that we have to fill out the green color. Okay, so our Doraemon is done. So our Doraemon is done. A cute little Doraemon already all set for a screenshot. Now I will use my black to reborder it wherever required. Actually, I've used a mortar marker, so it is not really required, but I will post the image post doing the rebordering. Rebordering makes the image look more bright. See here, like how it has gone. So white entered, so we are doing it. The problem with me is that I don't have black oil pastel. Otherwise oil pastels look more brighter. So I'm doing it just where it is required. So our next drawing is going to be a mermaid for sure. After that, Shiv drawing is also left. We'll do it. So children, don't get disheartened. एक के बाद एक सब कर देंगे. चिंता न को. Enjoy your life and wait till the other drawing comes. Okay. So all set. Yes, my Dory is set. Oh no, it's not a Dora, it's a Doraemon. Okay, so bye till then. Have a nice day. Bye from the side of Doraemon also. Bye 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 bye. Uh-oh.